at that shoot. So good.
Snowboarder collided with me. My knee is not good at all. I can't really bend it without it. Hey everyone, so we've been skiing the last couple of days, but we haven't been vlogging because it's been quite crazy having to hold all of our skis and just getting used to the buses and the lockers and all the jazz that you have to learn while going skiing in a new place. But we have been taking a lot of GoPro footage and we are going to be starting a new vlog now, also tomorrow technically. So we will be filming going to the snow and skiing and snowboarding tomorrow for you.
Yep, so you'll get to see all that, but for now we're heading to FURGBURGER.
Yes.
So for those who don't know, it's a very, very famous burger place in Queenstown.
Yeah, it's meant to be the best burgers in the world,
yeah.
they claim.
And, yeah,
We'll be the judge of that.
Supposedly they're incredible. There's a fairly big line every time we've walked past there, so it'll probably take a little bit for us to actually get our burgers, but we'll let you know.
Okay, so we picked up the burgers. They're smelling really good.
I know.
I'm excited. We're heading to the floating bar now, which we did point out in an earlier video. And we're going to sit there because it's BYO food, which is pretty cool.
Yeah. We're on the floating bar and ready to give it a shot. I think it was just the Ferg Deluxe. It's like the generic everything burger.
Yes.
Yeah.
Out of 10, what's your rating?
Like a 9.5. I've never had a 10.
Okay.
To be fair, I've never had a 10.
So this is the best burger you've had?
It's the best burger I've had.
Okay, my 10. Oh, by the way, I actually kind of got like a breakfast burger. It has like egg, hash brown, avocado, that sort of thing.
Rating?
Wait, I need to get a bit more of everything. Oh no, you're definitely right. I'm going to give it a 9.5 as well. Again, I haven't had the best.
It's just called the Toblerone. Oh, that's good.
And I got the strawberry fizz. It's got strawberries on it. That's so yummy. It's actually very dangerous because I could just keep drinking it that quickly.
Oh, you look nice and rugged up.
It's cold.
Okay, so we've just finished up at Perky's floating bar. Very, very nice. It's only what, 7:30? Just after 7:30, but we're already heading to bed because we want to get up nice and early tomorrow. Try get ahead of the queue for the bus. Get to the mountain nice and early.
So we got to get up at like 6:30. So we're going to bed. Good night.
Good night. Ready to go?
Yep.
Very good. Good morning.
Morning.
Hang on. Probably hear us better. This is day three out on the snow. It's been really good weather for us, which is lucky. It's been sunny the past 2 days, the whole day, and looks pretty good.
We're going to go and hit the slopes. First lift of the day.
Feeling good, feeling a bit sore.
My legs are hurting from the last 2 days, and it is definitely colder today than it was the last 2 days.
It's alright, just need to push through.
Yep. Bye. Okay, let's go. You ready?
I'm ready. Look at that shoot. So good. Which way?
would have been cool if I followed you the whole way, and that would have been cool. I really hope that I got it.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Good stuff. Really nice. Good job. Hello again.
You haven't seen us since skiing because unfortunately I hurt my knee.
Silly goose.
A snowboarder collided with me, and he was very apologetic and very nice about it, but my knee is not good at all. I can't really bend it without it wanting to give way, so we're just hobbling around at the moment.
At the moment we're still
Gotta cross the road.
we're still heading to the -5 ice bar, which
Yes.
we've booked in, which is going to be exciting. For those who aren't sure, the ice bar, or an ice bar, if you will, is basically a very, very cold bar. They keep it cold, and we have to book in a session because they only have a limited number of people in at any time, and you have to wear all their equipment and everything because this is the -5 ice bar, so as you can probably guess,
It's gonna be -5
it's kept at
degrees
-5
in there.
degrees in there, which is nice and cold.
And then basically you just, with your session, you book a certain like drink or whatever you want with it, and they usually come in like ice glasses or cups, which is pretty cool. We're gonna get rugged up and go down there and give it a go.
See you there.
Oh, I just ruined the whole thing. It's been quite crazy, grabbing.
You've done it twice now, quite crazy.
I got.
Quite.
Oh my goodness, we're never gonna get this. Okay,
Let's
wait,
go.
it's fuzzy.
Hello.
Bye. Where are we meeting? Where are we meeting?
Same one?
Okay.
Sit here for a bit.